Hello everyone, I welcome you in my new project. This is the continuation of modular spaceship making. So as you can see in front of me, and you also, it's the spaceship number 6 actually. So as you can see, the number 6, it's like this. It's a combination of gray, orange, and the light is blue, a light blue. So this is the front side. As you can see, you are seeing it from the substance. Already game ready, 5 version. 1 2 3 4 5, and if you can see the texture set components, they are very minimum actually, with like body joint, head, antenna, body, engine, and engine back. So it's like very minimum. And you can see here, this is the engine section. This is the engine part. So it's like it's like a double engine spaceship with a cover, like hood cover. So it's like I like this design actually. So I am actually very much inspired by the sci-fi movie series called Star Wars. So just like that. So you like I think this one is also like the rest previous my assets. This one is also quite good fit for the RTS game, or kind of like a space ship oriented projects, like it could be a sci-fi project, it could be your academic project as well, or academic project in one sense that yeah, some sort of demonstration may be required for the some sort of uh, um, some sort of project, visualized project. So that's why also uh, it will be good. And you can, as like always, I have an option to manipulate the design, so you can have a multiple designs rather than this 5. So you don't have to confine with this 5 design. So I hope you enjoy this one. And the second part is from the Unity, and third part is obviously from the Unreal. So thank you, keep watching, and please subscribe my channel and follow my Facebook page, and support me, please. Thank you. Hi everyone. This is the second part of the Spaceship 6, Modular Spaceship 6. You are seeing it from the Unity HDRP pipeline. So as you can see, here are several folders. So like this is the actual FPX, and here is the materials. Before the materials, I want to show you the texture. As always, the textures are like a 4K actually. As you can see here, the resolution size, all the textures, and you can find here the materials. The materials are here actually. So the texture set, 1 2 3 4 5 6 materials. So they are actually completely ready, and perfectly set, as you can see here. And also you can find this is the modular parts actually, the parts you are seeing here. So what you can do, you can drag and drop the components, 1 2, and like this, the components there. And finally you have the complete spaceship 5 variations as a like prefab. So this is the one, okay, this is two, whatever you're gonna pick up. So this is the ready-made spaceship there. So you just drag and drop in your scene, okay. No need to build one. So if I gonna maximize view, you can see the space environment and also the spaceship. They are looking quite okay. I think this is the front side, and the emissive is working properly, and this is the back side of the spaceship. And you can see here from the bottom side, here is like this, spaceship is floating on the space, and here from the top side, okay. So yeah, I used a post-processing volume here actually. So it's a little bit of post-processing attached, and it's looking quite okay, I think. Just like the previous ships and previous projects. So it's like a continuation project. So hope you like this one, and you will be in contact with me and support me, my channel and my YouTube, and also the Facebook. So if you need any one of the project, if you need, just go to my asset store. They are available in the asset store, and also you can, if you need any custom project, or if you need any type of assets like these, you can contact with me. I will be happy to help, and I will be very glad to know that you require my assistance or support. So thank you. This is from the Unity users can get this one, and all of my assets actually they are coming with the Unity pack. So Unity users can have this instant Unity pack, so that they don't need to modify the 3D objects according to their needs at first. They can immediately drag and drop the assets in their projects with the Unity pack. So thank you very much for supporting, and keep watching, keep sharing my content to your friends and loved ones. So thank you. I will come with with the Unreal, the last part. Thank you very much. Hello everyone. This is the last part of the spaceship, modular spaceship 6. As you can see it from the Unreal Engine. So I used the same space environment here, same as like I did in the Unity. So it's like the creating the same space environment actually. So it's looking quite okay. So as you can see here, I have the textures like 4K textures. All the textures are there, and you can have the actual materials. So like materials are like properly set. Okay. So yeah, and also you can find the space the space image I used here, and this is actually the results. So if I go to the maximize view, you can see the content is like here. Yes, I used post-processing volume, small post-processing volume. So yeah, it's looking I think this is the front part, and also this is the back part actually. As you can see, this is the back part. So here they are looking, and emissive is looking quite good actually. So there is a difference between adjusting the light and proper post processing to come up with these results, but I'm quite happy with this result. Actually, this is looking okay to be, and the the emissive is like working properly. So it's like this is the environment, and I use the same space environment as you can see around. This is the Milky Way galaxy. So it's like you are seeing it from the from the Unreal Engine. It's looking yeah. So Unreal Engine users also can get this asset from my asset store. Actually, they have the same benefits. Actually, they can use these variations, or they can have the kind of like make that custom adjustment with the project, manipulate the parts. Okay, so this is their options, but they have instantly have this kind of five variations of the spaceship. You see the light actually quite hitting this area, and this is looking even more realistic and good actually. So, okay, guys, I will come again with my next project, which will be a spaceship, modular spaceship 7, actually. So it's like it's a continuation process for my, kind of like my asset libraries I am building. So I welcome you all to visit my asset store. My asset store link has been given in my YouTube channel. You can find in the about section. I have all the links. I have the asset store, and also kind of like my contact links, so you can approach me directly as well. No problem, you can DM me, no problem, I will be happy to help. If you need any custom assets, then you can contact with me. I will be happy to help. So guys, goodbye for now, and I will come again with the new project. Thank you. Till then, thank you. Bye, and be safe. And please share my channel and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.